COVID-1.529 reported World Health first case in Botswana, parallelly in multiple cases in South Africa. So they have classified as a variant of concern. Then there is a CDC guideline for USA. They are trying to find out the genomic surveillance, continue to monitor its course, but they still yet don't know how the spread severity, available vaccine is working or not. We need to modify that vaccine, or available pre-existing medical treatment will work or not, they yet to find. But in UK and US still they believe that circulating virus causing admission and ICU is mostly due to Delta variant, not because of Omicron. Current global situation, 89 countries had Omicron variant, 200 plus cases in India. In Gujarat, 13 confirmed cases and 4 suspect. So around 17 cases within 1 or 2 days. This is very interesting. In 20 new Omicron cases, which is asymptomatic and mostly fully vaccinated in Delhi. So in UK and USA both have multiple cases. This is slightly disturbing. December 16, up to 7 deaths has been reported in confirmed Omicron variant. But they are considering that there's the multiple comorbid condition and other problems are parallel with that patient. So it is directly related to Omicron, or Omicron is a just precipitating factor, yet to know. Basic to virology. All virus evolve over time. More the virus circulate, more the virus will evolve. Most of the change have little or no implication of the viral property or behavior. But in COVID, there is a spike protein may result in changes in viral transmissibility and most important escape immunity, which is gained by vaccination. So virus evolution affect transmissibility, severity, presentation, effectiveness of vaccine, available therapeutics and diagnostic tool of public health or social measures. There is a two main concern: variant of interest and two more main variant. One is variant of interest and other is variant of concern. Interest means there is a viral changes in genome, so they will try to find out the genomic sequence. But why it become variant of concern? Because if mutation result to increase in transmissibility, increase in virulence, or decrease the effectiveness of public health. So they try to, in laboratory they try to intermittently gene sequences. But when the transmissibility and virulence will be increased now, then this variant will be the variant of concern. So a variant of interest become a variant of concern if it is easier to transmission, increase severity, reduce neutralization by antibody, reduce efficacy of drug and treatment, reduce efficacy of vaccine or vaccine escape ability. So this is the variant of concern. What is the difference between Delta variant and Omicron variant? More than 70% mutation has been reported in Omicron variant as compared to Delta. This is the complex structure of receptor binding domain, and we commonly known as spike protein, and there is a multiple, more than 30 mutation in Omicron variant. So including 50 mutation, 30 of each gene encoding spike protein only, and which is the main pathophysiology to binding the human ACE2 receptor to facilitate the infection. That's increase the concern about the study and how it is probably have a great ability to immune escape, which is gained by vaccine or herd immunity.
Actually, continuous mutation, does it not also show that the virus itself is struggling to fight the vaccine and the immunity?
Yes, absolutely.
So it has also not settled state-fully.
Yes.
It has not settled to a level where it can hit you hard. Does that mean that?
Yes, virologists also believe that a frequent mutation is the end of such kind of pandemic. And there's obviously virus is also struggling to make its own existence on
To establish itself.
yeah, and multiple mutation means the infectivity is high, transmissibility is high, but the severity of disease will be reduced. But still yet to know all these postulated theories. So obviously the question is effectivity of current vaccine for Omicron is always questionable. We will have a detailed discussion on that. Yes, easily spread we know is 10 times more spread than Delta variant. Anyone can transmit the Omicron because it is asymptomatic, even vaccinated, back through reinfection or don't have significant symptom. Current vaccines are expected to protect against severe illness, hospitalization and death due to infection with Omicron variant. The T cell memory, because of T cell memory cell immunity, they are also think that they expect us to prevent from serious ICU admission. Then again, that's a main concern. The recent emergence of Omicron further emphasizes the importance of vaccine and further booster. એટલે ઓમિક્રોન આવે એટલે એક વસ્તુ ફરીથી એસ્ટાબ્લિશ થઈ ગઈ કે જે વેક્સિનમાં નહોતા માનતા કે અગેન ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી નેસેસરી ટુ vaccinate almost all population. So current knowledge is yes, transmissibility we yet to know, reinfection possible, detection routine RT-PCR test is sufficient but genome sequence is required, management not much change in severe disease. So this is the triad which can harass in epidemiological. There is a global approach in which we have monitor, surveillance, evidence and policy. We have a which tool to fight with Omicron vaccine remain the best public health measure to protect the people. Booster, CDC USA has been advocate booster shot after 2 months of Johnson and Johnson vaccine and 6 months of series of Pfizer and Moderna. They have now advised to take a booster. Still in India there is no specific policy or guideline yet to come. Other mask obviously, community transmission has been halted. Testing, nuclear amplification test which called RT-PCR. But yes, after RT-PCR is positive, in our epidemiological also they says that try to send the genomic sequence. At this point of time, BMC or government of Gujarat has said that if you have a positive patient and history of travel, then lab itself sending the sample to Pune. There is one lab here also. So same RT-PCR, but yes, genomic sequences is required. Preventive measure we know. Robust response to Delta. When there is a Delta, the two important factor to reduce or curtail the epidemic wave is testing and vaccination. So as much as we test, as much as we get vaccinated, and testing followed by genomic sequence and maintaining the data cluster isolation, that will help. This is the recent Lancet in respiratory medicine, Omicron variant and booster dose. So we have a discussion. So Is there any input from your side from booster and Omicron variant?
Unless the vaccines are, unless the vaccines are updated to cover this particular antigen, then it can be used and it will take longer time because if you take the old vaccine, I don't think it is going to give you protection against.
Pfizer has clearly says that they take 100 days to make a vaccine variant specific, which is Omicron. So 3 months plus time they have asked for. But in India,
Serum Institute has told us that it will take only 90 days.
Serum Covax, they start to
Make a booster.
Omicron specific variant.
Omicron specific.
The problem with this booster or any vaccination is that even if they make a vaccine, by that time it will mutate.
Yes, after 3 months, some new clone is there.
Is there any way to find out T-cell immunity, whether it is there or not? Because see, we have been vaccinated with other things like we cannot find out the memory cell immunity of a person. So this will be the right time for the vaccine. So is there any studies in
And they have clearly, virologist clearly says that your T cell memory will definitely help.
no, but
And any variant cannot escape much to T cell variant.
that is the issue. Like suppose we have been vaccinated in February, March
Yes,
last year.
yes, yes.
So now today, do we have a T-cell memory or not? How do we know?
Yes.
Like that is the issue, which is the major
Objective evidence is, but you suppose, you presume
No,
that
so
you
what
have a good T cell immunity.
What I am trying to find out from you is whether any studies are there, somebody is doing the work on like some test to like take
So
a
there is
blood or do a
no
T-cell.
objective evidence to
We cannot.
quantify that you have a T cell immunity or not.
Yeah.
But when there is a breakthrough infection, they do a COVID antibody test also, and there is a robust response. First normal COVID, then 2 vaccination, then again someone has a COVID infection, which is very milder variety,
Right.
and before that they have waning of all antibody levels. After catching a new COVID infection, again we test the antibody, there is a robust response of antibody.
Yeah, but
Indirect evidence.
deaths have occurred in completely vaccinated patients as well, isn't it?
Yes. But some question is right. How can we prove that this is the
That is why he's asking that how to
immunity
check.
booster purpose in only those who are having a previous infection either as a breakthrough or initial infection with original virus. And if someone takes 2 booster or 2 doses, then they are having the highest level of immunity or antibody level is there. That has already been proven.
proven? Yes, sir.
So original virus, natural infection, I think is very
Obviously, it is a robust other than that. But yes, we can consider that if you have a today your anti-spike antibody titer is negative, but there is always chance that you again you new infection, it will be milder variety, and at that time you have a good response of your antibody level.
Do you feel we need vaccine for Omicron variant?
Yes, if available. But by the time it just vanishes off.
एसिम्टोमेटिक છે અપરેસ્પિડ તો શું કરવા
Hmm,
કંટ્રી
exactly.
પુઅર કંટ્રી ની અંદર
That's a
વાયરસ
concern. That's a main concern. If we running behind the booster dose, but we still we have a second dose of covering the whole population.
See, the thing is that the major issue is we have all been vaccinated in February last. Now March, February, so
Yes.
So 1 year almost is now there.
Now,
Most of the viral vaccines are repeated after 1 year. If you look at the influenza
Yes,
and other
yes.
vaccines, right? So our immunity is going down. So the herd immunity of the people, which is around 70% today, will come down to 30-40% by some month or 2. And new people are not getting the vaccine. They are not taking the vaccine.
that's it, yes.
So now what may happen is that we may have another episode of the T-cell immunity doesn't work. That is one
But
way
sir-
wherein the booster is promoted.
In that influenza scene, they predict the antigenic drift and shift and they make vaccine every yearly, which is a different antigenic booster. So that is why it is indicated.
પ્રોબેબલી
Yeah, no
કેટલાક
vaccine.
કેટલાક ન્યૂઝ તો એવા છે કે આ અઠવાડિયાની અંદર જ હેલ્થ કેર અને પીએમઓ અલ્ટિમેટલી
Today only they have an advisory. But the question is different between developing and developed country.
યસ ધેટ
Ideally,
should be a region specific.
yes. Ideally, if resources are very much available, booster dose as per virology and epidemiologically, it is must indicated. But again the question is political influence, social, and how we manage the third booster dose in as a mass. અને હેલ્થકેર વર્કરને આપવા મળશે તો જે સુડો સેક્યુર સુડો ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ છે એમ પણ કહેશે કે અમને કેમ નહીં. So then question again is
એની પાસે પૈસા છે.
It could be paid actually.
Not healthcare, but all frontliners. Not only
Paid
healthcare.
કરતા એ કોઈ
પણ ફ્રન્ટ લાઈન ને કરશે તો પેરેલલી એક એવો વર્ક તો ઊભો થશે કે દે ઓલવેઝ
That is the beauty
એ
of
લોકોને
Lockstart.
તમે પણ ફ્રન્ટ લાઈન જ છીએ.
That is the beauty of Lockstart.
Democracy effect.
Exercise rate is about
જેને નથી લેવી એ પણ ડેમોક્રેસીનું નામ આપે છે અને આ રીતે જો બાયસ થશે તો પણ દે આર ઓલવેઝ સેઝ ધેટ કે ના
No, it was
પણ વાયરોલોજીકલી બૂસ્ટર ડોઝ ઇઝ એ તો આગલા લેક્ચરમાં જ વાત
in developed country, not in developing country,
Resource-
probably, because this is the milder variety.
I have a question to Saurabh. That if you say it immediately fall by 30%, so what happens to the already some of this possibly maybe having at the moment, and we are developing herd immunity very silently.
Yes.
So in that event, you may not get a serious illness at
Yeah,
all.
that may be one.
That is another thought.
Another thought,
The
yes.
parallel thought that you would think is
Yes,
that
yes.
we are all getting Omicron silently.
Yes.
Routine you are at your care.
One thing is very clear in India.
We are developing a fresh herd immunity. one.
Yes.
Second is, as doctor said that this booster may not work. Now we really don't know whether it works or not. Because even the, as I said, the new variant vaccine which will come in 90 days or 100 days, by that time it will mutate. It is the status quo.
Yes.
So I asked yesterday when we were talking, what is the harm of taking number one? What are the downsides of taking this booster?
No, but
Except the usual risk of vaccine.
yes,
What
it
is
is
the
very
downside? One.
very point.
Second, can this country afford that gimmick? That is the other thing. Those who have money, as he said, already are taking privately, illegally, people are taking. I know so many people having gone to Parliament here, there, having taken vaccines from their own.
Yes, that
So
is.
many, lot of people are taking. And yesterday somebody offered me that thought, so I said, okay, give it, give to my staff first, because I am exposed 6 hours, they are exposed all 24 hours.
Yes.
The point here is, even if you give a dose today, as you rightly said, politically, it will be very particularly. Both the sides you have to hit the government.
Yes.
The goal is that. So if you make it paid, healthline workers below poverty line, you will make it free. But if you make it paid, then there will be a restriction. And availability of vaccine possibly will be. And there are people who are willing to pay any amount and do it.
Yes.
There is a lot which is doing it. Yesterday's newspaper said that some parents are going abroad to give their children the vaccine.
Yes.
So people can go to any length. They are paying 800 rupees in some institute behind the airport for vaccination. It's a regular, he is giving regularly 800 rupees per person vaccination. So
Second, one more thought will be that like those who are taking illegal, when the legalization will come, then they'll ask for a booster certificate.
which you will not get this.
Which will not.
That is the main
That
problem.
is the biggest
That is
issue.
the biggest
Because
issue.
you are today, if you travel for any country, then you require the certificate on the Aadhaar or whatever your card is, right? So that certificate you may not get when you take a booster illegally.
Then you have to take another booster.
So there will be a real
Second,
there will be a real issue.
You
So
should
again,
not take before 90
અરે
days.
સર એક મિનિટ સર બૂસ્ટર અરેન્જ થઈ જતું હોય તો બૂસ્ટરનું સર્ટિફિકેટ જરૂર પડશે ત્યારે ઇઝીલી અરેન્જ થઈ જાય
Certificate
જ્યારે થશે જરૂર પડશે જ્યારે લીગલાઇઝ કે ના નાવ યુ નીડ બૂસ્ટર તો this is just IT field.
What he is saying and what we are saying is that it is not possible to get it now if you take it illegally. Then you have to wait for the booster to be announced.
એબ્સોલ્યુટલી ઈઝી છે સાહેબ માનો કે આજે મેં લીધી ડિસેમ્બર 22 બરોબર હવે ફેબ્રુઆરી ત્રીજા વીકમાં એવું આવ્યું કે નાવ બૂસ્ટર સર્ટિફિકેટ ઇઝ લીગલ બહુ આરામથી નીકળી જાય ફેબ્રુઆરીમાં
sir, RT-PCR illegal.
બહુ આરામથી નીકળી જાય બહુ આરામથી
How? Because
જઈને
આપણા બધા technology
જઈને
છે.
ઇટ્સ અ નાઇસ જોબ
જરૂર કહેવાનું નામ મૂકો.
ના મૂકો એમ બાકી કશું નહીં. You have to register
બટ આઈ લાઈક યોર ફર્સ્ટ કોમેન્ટ
and tell કે ભાઈ હવે
ત્રિપાઠી સાહેબે પહેલી comment करें, is this the blessing in disguise?
Yes, it's a
Yes.
blessing in disguise.
And obviously pharma company will always advocate the booster dose. And એ
ના પણ એનો ગાઈડલાઈન તો જોશે ને કે ઇન્ડિયા જે અને ICMR એ કેવું પડશે કે હા બૂસ્ટર લો તો પેડ તમે આપી શકો, બાકી તો કેમ આપો?
ICMR કહેવા માટે એને આટલા
લેતા નથી.
હા,
Yeah,
if
that
they
is why
have
they are
resource then they will always advocate. એટલે હમણાં જ આવી જશે.
રિસોર્સ નહીં આવે, આપણે સેકન્ડ ડોઝ માટે
એ
સ્ટ્રગલ
લોકો
કરીએ
બૂસ્ટરનો આના કરીને જ અટકી દેશે. આપણી ગાઈડલાઈન એવી જ આવશે કે રિસ્ક ને એને આપશું, બાકીનાને નહીં
એ
આપીએ.
કલાક ઓમિક્રોન સુકાઈ ગયો છે તો કાંઈક
Those
બીજું.
are 58% left.
હા, એટલે the before concentrate on booster કે જો કોમ્યુનિટીમાં થર્ડ ડોઝ રેમ્પન્ટ થાય ને તો કદાચ સેકન્ડ ડોઝ તો બૂસ્ટર બધાને ના જરૂર પડે. ઓબ્વિયસલી હેલ્થલાઇન વર્કર ને એ બધું અલગ વસ્તુ થઈ જાય. So in UK they have always advocate third dose.
આનો મતલબ એવો થયો પ્રેક્ટિકલી, જો આ ઓમિક્રોન માંથી કોવિડ વાયરસ નામ કાઢી નાખો ને તો વી આર પ્લાનિંગ ટુ ટેક બૂસ્ટર ફોર અ ફ્લુ, સિમ્પલ ફ્લુ.
Yes.
ઇન અધર જેને કઈ નીડ છે કે નહીં, that we need to ask our.
Vaccines years together we are supplying. Simple into it.
આપણે આ રૂમમાં બેઠા છે એમાંથી યરલી ઇન્ફ્લુએન્ઝા લેવા વાળા 10% નહીં.
પણ એ તો આ કેવું છે જે મળતું નથી ને લેવું છે. કદાચ બૂસ્ટર જો અવેલેબલ
That's
થઈ જશે ને
human
તો
nature.
કે સાહેબ જરૂર નથી
That's
એસિમ્પ્ટોમેટિક.
human nature.
In South Africa, this variant may be the rose because of the only 7% population is been vaccinated. The main concern is RO value. RO value is as high as 10. So RO less than 1, so this disease are eventually decline. RO is equal to 1. That won't be outbreak, endemic thing arise. But more than 1, there is certain possibility of outbreak or epidemic. So RO value is as high as 10. So it is the really variant of concern. It is very early to know which vaccination of the previous infection will be protect against Omicron. But they have suggested protection against symptomatic disease at 25th week later after 2 doses is less than 10 for Omicron and it is around 14 for Delta variant. So I have already discussed within a 100 working days they will produce vaccine. And everybody says that it is the right time to changing the vaccine.
Working day એટલે બીજા 15-20 દિવસ હોતી જાય.
એટલે આપણા
Yeah,
માટે
yeah, yeah.
એટલે એને તો અમારે બૂસ્ટરના નામે they will try to earn એમ. અને ત્યાં તો
પ્રોડક્ટ્સ જ
ગવર્મેન્ટ
છે, લોજિસ્ટિક્સ તો અલગ છે.
UK and USA માં તો they clearly says that booster are required. અને અમુક લોકો તો ચાલુ.
But I am not not finding anybody's chest getting involved. It is mostly in the upper respiratory tube. Rhinitis, dry cough, it's not coming down
Okay,
anywhere.
for
So
three
we don't know whether that is a silent Omicron wave going
Yes,
on.
yes, it can be.
And if you tell the patient, go, every patient go get a COVID-19 test, patient looks at you, so what's wrong with you? What you guys have? કેમકે સામાન્ય શરદી થઈ ગઈ સાહેબ કરાવવા ટેસ્ટ
USA ને અત્યારે પણ ડેલ્ટા પ્લસ ઇઝ મોર કલ્પ્રિટ ધેન ઓમિક્રોન. પણ આ બધા બે ઓવરલેપ કરે છે ને પછી ખબર નહીં પડે કે કોણ
કાલે એવા ન્યૂઝ છે યુએસ માં 73% આર નામ ઓમિક્રોન.
હેલ્થ કેર ને ડિસ્ટર્બ કરે છે તો ડેલ્ટા પ્લસ જ છે હજી પણ.
હવે આ વાક્ય લખ્યું છે એનું મીનિંગ શું થાય? એસ્ટ્રાઝેનેકા કોવિશિલ્ડ બૂસ્ટર 75% અગેન્સ્ટ ઓમિક્રોન. મતલબ 100 વેક્સિનેટેડ પેશન્ટ ને ઓમિક્રોન તમે એક્સપોઝ કરો તો 75 ને તકલીફ નહીં પડે તો માઇલ્ડ પડશે, એવો મીનિંગ થાય.
હા, ઓમિક્રોન નું બસ એ માઇલ્ડ ટુ એસિમ્પ્ટોમેટિક. પણ એ તો
Then it is really
ઇન્ફેક્શન ઇઝ માઇલ્ડ ટુ એસિમ્પ્ટોમેટિક.
then it is really a mutant.
આ પેલું એવું છે કે બાયપાસમાં 1% રિસ્ક છે જેને થયું એને 100%. Statistics is the biggest asshole they do know.
કંપનીઓ તો પાછો આવી ગયા છે પ્લે કરવા કે ભાઈ થર્ડ ડોઝ લઈ લો એના ડોઝ વેચાય.
Serum Institute કહે છે enough doses.
I'll give you a recent example.
પણ
My daughter-in-law has taken the booster dose about 45 days. She, day before yesterday, got COVID. She is a physiotherapist working in an elderly facility. She got it. She has no fever. She has no symptoms, but as a part of the checking every day, morning when she enters, she has to test.
Composite.
She was composite. Now she is isolated separately. My children are isolated separately. My son, they are isolated separately. Now it becomes one hell of a job. Now, she has only mild irritation in the throat. Moving about, no fever, no weakness, nothing going on. Now, but she is trapped because it is there. Because others in the facility had it. So everybody. Now it is 45 days. The booster has been given. Now that will come into 25% or 75%, we don't
We
know.
don't know.
Whether it has been effective in a way, it has not become serious, or it is not effective, whichever it is.
After one week, she is the safest person on the earth.
Yes,
He is the same.
she's got the fourth booster.
Academic diagnosis.
So actually પેલું સાઉથ આફ્રિકા વાળી સ્ટોરી શું છે ઓરિજિન ક્યાંનું છે ને પકડી કોણ છે
એ ખ્યાલ નથી સ્ટોરી બિહાઇન્ડ ઓમિક્રોન
એટલે actually first case was not in South Africa itself કે ક્યાંક બીજે હતો કે
એ લોકો બોસ્વાના અને સાઉથ આફ્રિકા કહે છે ને પછી રિપોર્ટ કર્યો પણ જીન સિક્વન્સીસ ઇઝ નોટ કોણ આપણે ડેલ્ટા પ્લસ વખતે ક્યાં કોઈના જીન સિક્વન્સીસ આટલા ફ્રીક્વન્ટલી કરાવતા
પણ એ લોકોએ તો કરી હતા ને કે ઇન્ડિયામાં થાય છે ઇન્ડિયા છે
એ લોકોએ કીધું કે તમે જે એપિડેમિક ફેસ કરો છો ને ડેલ્ટા પ્લસ વેરિયન્ટ
US માં પણ sequencing નથી કરતા. If the symptoms are severe, today I had another friend's son who's 45, very obese. He's critically ill with Omicron. He's on the 6th day of ventilator and he's not recovering. Now, that fellow refused to take vaccine. So he has not taken vaccine. So that Omicron has hit him very badly.